Cybersecurity is everywhere today. Every day computers are attacked, accounts are stolen, and networks are breached. But what many people don't realize is that most cyber attacks are not complicated. They follow simple, predictable steps. In this video, we'll walk through cybersecurity from the beginning, what it is, why it matters, and how attack happens, and how they can be stopped. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access. That includes computers, phones, servers, cloud systems, and even smart devices. If something is connected to the internet, it can be targeted. And that's why cybersecurity matters. At the core of cybersecurity are three simple IDs: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means that only authorized users can access information. For example, your email should only be accessible by you. Integrity means that data cannot be modified without permission. Your bank balance should not change unless you make a transaction. Availability means that systems must remain accessible. The website should stay online and available when users need it. Together, these three IDs form the foundation of cybersecurity. Most cyber attacks begin with information gathering. Attackers look for email addresses, usernames, company names, and exposed systems. This phase is called reconnaissance. No attack happens without preparation. Once enough information is gathered, the attackers look for an entry point. This is usually phishing, malware, or weak password. Phishing is the most common method. An attacker sends a message that looks legitimate. It may appear to come from a bank, a company, or even a co-worker. The message creates urgency. It says something like your account has been locked. The user clicks a link and enters their password. But the page is fake. And now the attacker has access. Another common entry point is malware. Malware is malicious software designed to infiltrate the system. It may arrive through a download, an email attachment, or a compromised website. Once executed, malware can steal data, monitor activity, or give remote access to the attacker. If the attacker gains access, the next step is expanding control. They search for safe passwords, sensitive files, and administer privileges. This is called privilege escalation. The attacker is trying to gain more power inside the system. Once high access is achieved, the attacker moves across the network, from one device to another, from one account to another. This is called lateral movement. At this stage, a small breach becomes a larger compromise. Finally, the attacker executes the objective. This could be data theft, ransomware, spying, or system disruption. The attack is now complete. But the important thing to understand is that these attacks can be stopped early. Strong passwords make brute force attacks difficult. Two-factor authentication prevents unauthorized logins. Software updates close security vulnerabilities. Avoiding unknown links stops phishing attempts. And regular backups protect against ransomware. Cybersecurity is not about reacting after an attack. It's about preventing the attack from succeeding. Today, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Businesses depend on digital systems. Individuals store personal information online, and attackers are constantly searching for weaknesses. Understanding cybersecurity is the first step in staying protected, because once you understand how attacks work, you can recognize them. And once you recognize them, you can stop them. That is cybersecurity. If you like this video, give a like. If you like to follow me in my next videos, subscribe.